Hi guys, Commander Clones Productions here, and today in this video I'm gonna show you how to make custom like Captain Rex pistols, like those kind of pistols. So let's get started. Okay, so what you're gonna need to make these are, so you're gonna need a nail filer, and then unless you want to make a mess, then you're probably gonna want a paper towel or like some kind of thing to put under this, so it doesn't make a mess when you make it. So, and then you're gonna need however many of the things you're gonna need. So I'm just gonna do one. You're just gonna need a regular pistol, Star Wars pistol. Focus. Okay, just a pistol. And so let's get started. So all you have to do is you just have to, so where the scope is, you just have to rub down on that with the nail filer. And so as you can see, it already kind of filed a little bit. So since this might take like a minute or two, I'm just gonna pause the video and then, yeah. Okay, so I finished doing it, and so this is what it looks like. So I'm gonna show you what it looks like on the guy. Just gonna take this. So it looks a lot like the kind of pistols they use to me. And so yeah, I'm just gonna go ahead and make another one because I'm doing this so this guy can have the right kind of pistols. So yeah, I'm just gonna do it right now. Okay, so I made it, except it's kind of dusty. So I'm just gonna go ahead and wash that off just to make it a little more, like, less dusty, because it kind of looks like it has dirt on it. So yeah, so I washed them off and now they look way better. So yeah, this was just a tutorial, just a short tutorial. So I hope you like this video. If you want more tutorials like this, make sure to hit that subscribe button. And yeah, see you next time.